Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to download hybrid equations toolbox and how to include this toolbox in MATLAB. For that, you have to go to this MathWorks official website, and I will give this link in the description. You can click from at this link. You will go to this website. So, so after going on this website, click on this download and here click on this toolbox. After clicking this toolbox, now download this uh, .mltbx extension file will show. Download it. After downloading this file, copy this file, copy or cut this file and go to the file where you install MATLAB. So I have installed MATLAB in D here. I have installed the MATLAB in this MATLAB 2021A installed in this file. So paste this copied file here. When you paste this file will be shown here. So now open the MATLAB and in MATLAB open this file. So for that double click on MATLAB. Now the MATLAB is open. Now go to that file where we install where we paste this file. Now this is that file. Now double click on it or open this file. Now it will shown open the getting started guide. Click close. Now this will shown here. Getting started with hybrid equations toolbox. So now it is the message is here that click here to finish the installation process. Click this link does the following. So now I have to click on this this hybrid configuration toolbox function. Click on it. This may take a minute to start while simulink loads. So it will get some time. Update simulink model hybrid equation library to the current version of simulink. It is showing that it is now installing. Updated. Now it is updating all libraries in it. Now it is showing that do you want to run the automated tests? The tests will take less than a minute. I will run the tests. Now it will get 50 to 40-50 seconds to finish this process. Here the message is now here that the hybrid equations toolbox is ready to use. Now we can use the hybrid equations toolbox. So for that I will open the simulink and click on the blank model. Now go to library. Now here I will navigate hybrid equations toolbox. Now it is showing that hybrid equations toolbox. Now click on it. Now it is cyber physical systems, hybrid system blocks, embedded functions, hybrid system blocks, external functions and other. In the hybrid equation toolbox is included. If it is not showing here, then restart your MATLAB, close MATLAB software and then reopen the MATLAB software, then it will show here this library. So if you get this video helpful, then like it. Thank you.